home of the world's largest Murugan statue, Batu Cave served not only as a place of worship, it is also one of Malaysia's national heritage. What makes Batu Cave a national heritage, you might ask? The limestone forming the caves have existed from over 400 million years ago. It is believed that some of the entrances of the caves were used as shelters by a tribe of Orang Asli. Located in Gombak, about 13 kilometers from the country's capital, Batu Caves is also one of the most well-known Hindu shrines outside of India. It attracts millions of locals and worshippers every year. In 2017 alone, it is estimated that over 1.6 million people visited the shrine during Thaipusam. The temple itself is dedicated to Lord Murugan, a Hindu god of war, therefore explaining the existence of its gold statue in the front. The statue itself was made of 1,550 cubic meters of concrete, 250 tons of steel bars, and over 300 liters of gold.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. Alright, me and my group mates are here in Batu Caves. We're gonna find out more about this historical building, or a cave I might say. Apparently, this is the longest staircase in the whole of Malaysia. You'll show them.
During the 1860s, Chinese settlers began excavating guano for fertilizing their vegetable patches. However, the place only gained the public's attention after the limestone hill was recorded by colonial authorities and an American naturalist called William Hornday in 1878. The origin of Batu Caves being a religious site would start during when the leader of Tamil community in Malaya then, called Mr. Tambu Sani Pillai, sent out his close associates Sri Thiruvengadam Pillai and Sri Kandaba Devar to search for an ideal place of worship for Murugan. There are three main caves in Batu Caves temple complex. The biggest is referred to as the Temple Cave or Cathedral Cave. Its ceiling is over 100 meters high and it features ornate Hindu shrines. To reach it, visitors must climb up a total of 272 stairs painted in rainbows.
So, ma'am, is this your first time in Malaysia?
Yes, this is my first time in Malaysia.
How do you find it so far?
I like it. The people are very friendly.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, we're doing a college interview right now, right? Could you please state your name for the camera?
Sandra.
That's a very beautiful name. Okay, I have a few questions to ask you. First question being, is this your first time here in Batu Caves?
Yes, first time.
Very first time? Okay. So how did you hear about the place in Batu Caves?
We wanted to visit Kuala Lumpur and looked up over the internet from backpackers what they experienced and what they liked when they visited Kuala Lumpur, and yeah.
How would you say, how would you view this place since it's your first time here, right? What do you think about it so far?
Not disappointed. Not disappointed because it's very special to have this cave system and the temples within it, and yeah.
Okay, that's a great answer. One last question, yeah. In your honest opinion, what makes Batu Caves a worthy place to visit?
I think the scenery, of course, but maybe also the atmosphere with the temples and the spirits, sort of.
Yeah.
Yes. Only we wanted to visit the dark caves too, but we learned here that they are closed now.
Okay. I mean, you're here for a long time. I'm guessing you can just visit here again anytime, right? Yeah.
Maybe yes.
Okay, that's about it. Thank you so much for your time.
During Thaipusam, many devotees would pray and perform a ritual called Kavadi in Batu Caves. Kavadi is a ceremonial sacrifice and offering practiced by devotees dedicated to Murugan.
There is a belief of the natural existence of the Lord Murugan here. Oh, I see. Lord Murugan's mainly place is hillside.
Oh, yeah.
Hillside. Most of the Murugan's temple are hillside, and especially in the cave. And so, for incidents, is located here in the cave. So, this is further is a tourist center. It is bringing a lot of economically, it's helped a lot to the country.
Then how about Taipusam? During Taipusam, can you give a rundown what you usually do? People gather around the home for the country?
People gathered for Taipusam here. Mostly Taipusam is we are praying to Lord Murugan. Taipusam especially for Murugan's event. People vow they will carry kavadis. Some people, mostly women carry, women and children carry a milk pot to sort of a sacrifice, thanks to Lord Murugan. We vow something. If it is happen upon it, then we will fulfill the vows. Mostly it's carrying kavadi is
So it's 45 kilos, right? If I'm not mistaken.
come again.
How the weight of the kavadi?
Okay, it's a different type. Then I don't know.
The bamboo.
No, it's not a bamboo actually. It's a still type of this one. Then they will put here. Some kavadis they use the bamboo made by bamboo, and mostly they will use this peacock's feather. That is the best for him.
Do you know what is the symbol of the peacock? Why peacock specifically?
Lord Murugan's every god's there is Murugan's symbol is peacock.
Oh, I see.
And then we have a believing that he is using the peacock to surround
That's why there's so many peacocks.
Yes. And then he has a flag with a rooster. The symbol is a rooster.
Oh, I see. All right. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Can I know what's the reason for the purchase?
This one is for the pigeons. We like to keep in the house.
Oh, I see. Is there any
Bringing prosperous, we give happiness.
Can you tell me a little bit more about Lord Murugan? Because he's the son of Lord
Lord
Siva.
Siva.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
And what about the V shape of?
It's a victory.
It's a victory.
Yeah, it's a symbol of victory.
The first one is regarding the history of the place. Do you know roughly when was it established as a temple? Or
Many years ago, but I'm not too sure.
But it is 1 century.
It's about 1 century ago.
it's dedicated to Lord Murugan? Right?
Yes, Lord Murugan.
Okay, so what do you think makes it special among other temples? Because tourists come here the most instead of other temples. So what is that?
It's more of cultural, religious tolerance, and it's awareness of oneness, unity in Malaysia, where all the other people of different race, they come here to pray, respect, and to admire the beauty of the culture of my nation.
Based on the interviews conducted, it is clear that Batu Caves has easily taken a special place in many visitors' hearts, both locals and tourists. The locals are well acquainted with the historical essence of the place and that they believe the site has managed to bring Malaysians together. After visiting the place, we as a team had a newfound appreciation on Hindus' art and are able to understand more regarding their beliefs. We believe that it is important for Malaysians to preserve this national heritage more by taking extra care of the site's cleanliness to make sure the future generations of Malaysians are able to enjoy its beauty.